This video is going to be one of the most valuable little crash courses that you can use to make anywhere between $4 and $5 every 20 to 40 seconds online. It's super easy to do. All you're going to do is come over to this website, copy some of this information over here, then come over to this website over here that's going to make this little for you, come back to this website over here and paste the same, and you'll be on your way to making your first $4 to $5 every 20 to 40 seconds online. Hey there, my name is Jay from the channel Millionaire Mindset Plus. On this channel, I'm posting daily vids on how you can make money online, how I make money online, and I'm giving tons of giveaways in my videos, including cash giveaways and free course giveaways. This person on the screen is the winner of my previous $397 drop service and course giveaway in my previous video. So well done to you. Make sure to read the pinned comment down below so that you can see how to claim your course. And also in this video, I'm going to do a $20 PayPal giveaway. What you need to do is count how many times I say the word money throughout this video from second number 1 till the last minute. So watch this video slowly, count how many times I say the word money, comment down below the right answer. The first person who gets it will win $20. So make sure to go and do that. I'll announce the winner in tomorrow's video, and make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on, because in tomorrow's video I'm going to be doing the same thing. This right here is the website that is going to pay you $5 every 20 seconds online. And all you need to do is come over to this website over here. I'm going to reveal this in a bit, so make sure to keep watching. You just have to enter your email and password, or register over here with your email. With just your email, it's as simple as that, and you can be on your way and start making money with this website. This website is completely free to sign up. There's no fee, no credit card information required, no trials that you need to register for. You can sign up on this website lifetime for free. And what we're going to do is we're going to combine this website over here that I'm going to show you in a bit as well with this website that I just told you to go and sign up on. So make sure to open up your laptops or phones and follow with me as we go through this video. And don't stress, you're not going to be on camera. We're not going to be creating any videos. We don't need any following online. We don't need any social media accounts. This is a brand new strategy that I've not spoken about on this channel. It is super powerful on how you can make money online. This over here is what your dashboard is going to look like once you've signed into this website. So this website is very similar to that of Fiverr, where you can go and hire and find different freelancers and experts online to perform different services for you. Don't worry, we're not going to be doing anything such as copying and pasting gigs on these different platforms. It's a really unique and loophole of making money through this website. So for example, you can come over to this website and hire anybody to design a modern logo design for you for just $5. You can come over here and get someone to do a message for you in the Johnny Depp accent for just $5. You can get someone to design you a great looking flyer with a leaf design for just €5. And over here is a person that will do a spokesperson or provide you a testimonial for your product or service for just €10. So it's all sorts of really interesting and useful services that you can use in your daily life. And what I like about all of this in freelance work, you make all the profits 100% yours, because you're not buying something that has an expense and then you have to resell that at a markup. This, for example, this guy makes you a picture, he goes onto his PC, he makes you an image for just $5, he keeps the $5 in his pocket, it's all his profit. And another thing that I quickly want to say, it's really not true when people say that Fiverr is oversaturated or freelance work is oversaturated. In fact, it's actually undersaturated. The amount of people that perform services on these websites compared to the actual world's population of about 8 billion people is nothing. It's like 0.0001%. It is not oversaturated at all. People are just told this and believe this misconception. So the first step that you need to do is you need to go and join this website like I showed you with your email and password. What you need to do is you need to come up to the top of this website over here, click on Seller over here, and click on Create a Service over here. And all we need to do for our title, we need to go and write something like this. So this is a person that is making boatloads of money with doing this little trick that I'm going to show you. All they are doing is they are placing your message on the back of an Einstein board. So for example, they make a little picture like this, and they basically replace the text for you, and they add the message on the blackboard for you, and you can give them any text that you want, and they only charging you $5 for this. Now, where I'm getting the idea for this is actually off of Fiverr.com. But what I've noticed is no one has posted this gig on Fiverr Squid, meaning you can be the first person to post the gig and get all the results and sales for a service like this on Fiverr Squid. And you don't only have to post on Fiverr Squid, but I recommend Fiverr Squid because no one else has posted a gig like this so far. It's a very unique, cool service that someone might be scrolling through Fiverr or Fiverr Squid and they see, hey, this looks pretty cool, let me go and order this as I'd really like to try this. You can come over to fiverr.com and just search in the search bar Einstein and you will see a couple of people, 1, 2, 3, about 5 or 6 people that are already offering this service. But you kind of want to change. You can see all of these people are using the same thumbnail. What you want to do is you want to change it up, change your thumbnail, make it look different. You'll see over here, this guy at the top's getting all the orders because his thumbnail is a little bit different. And what you can go and do is you can go and choose this person over here. You're welcome to go and just copy this heading as is. You're allowed to do that. Come over to here where you're pasting your gig. So let's just remove that. I will place your message on the back of Sir Einstein. Your price can be €5. Your main category can be, I would say, digital marketing. Your image gallery, you can come over to Fiverr on this gig over here, download these pictures by saving them to your PC over here, reposting that on Fiverr Squid. You can add a video URL if you want to. Your description, you can use the exact same description from this Fiverr gig over here. For your instructions to buyer, you can leave that empty. For your tags, you can just put Einstein. Days to deliver, you can put, for example, 1 day delivery. So all you're doing is you're remaking this gig on Fiverr on fivesquid.com. You're going to submit this, and this is what we're going to do. And what I also suggest is come over to quickengigs.com, which is another new freelance marketplace that is starting to appear online, and you want to go and log in or create an account and post your gig here as well. You can go and post on Upworks, all sorts of freelance marketplaces that you can think of. You can also come over to guru.com over here and even post another gig over here, so you can get sales on 4 or 5 websites at the same time. So now instead of 1 sale at a time, you can get 3 or 4, making it about $20 to $25 instead of $5. And over here, just go and post your job over here on the top right as well, just like I showed you that you would do with Fiverr Squid. And this is where the magic is going to happen. You're going to come over to a website called hetemeel.com. That's hetemeel.com. You're going to come over here to where it says Einstein Chalkboard. Right click, open that in a new tab, and take a look at this. You can replace any text on this image by just typing the following: hi there, I am Jay. And let's just go change image over here and take a look at this. You can see now it looks like Einstein has written, hi there, I am Jay. So you can replace your text on this image, which is really, really cool. It's a cool little tool that you can use. You can also do this with an Uncle Sam, and you can go and create another gig on this. So you can go, for example, I want you to sub to me, for example. Let's click on change image over here, and now it says I want you to sub to me, with the Uncle Sam kind of pointing at you, which is kind of cool. So you can replace this with any text that you want, and you can go and charge $5 each time someone wants to do this, because no one really knows about this website. And you can go and post this gig on Fiverr, Upworks, Guru.com, and especially fivesquid.com. You can do the same thing for Quacker over here. So there's another one where you can replace the images. So you can go, haha, you are not funny. And let's just click on change image over here, and there you can go. You can see you can replace this text as you want. So you can go create another gig on Quacker Guy, charge $5 for that. Go and create another gig on all of these platforms I showed you for Uncle Sam, charge $5 for that. And another gig for Einstein, $5 for that. So you want to go and post 3 separate gigs on all of these platforms, being Fiverr Squid, Fiverr.com, quickengigs.com, and Guru.com. So now you're going to have a total of 3, 6, 9, 12 gigs, making you and generating you sales over and over again on these websites. And you just obviously have to fulfill these orders, which is really easy. You just give them the text that they've given you, make it, and send the image to them through Fiverr's or Fiverr Squid's chat. They have like an online chat where you can send over your work. And obviously this is great and all for making quick $5 every minute or two, every couple of seconds, but it's not something that's going to pay hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars. It's not something that's going to make you super, super rich. So I wanted to show you guys something. So I'm very fortunate enough to have a successful business running off of YouTube called Drop Servicing, where I sell rare high income skills such as web development, programming, web design, e-commerce design, services that people pay me hundreds to thousands of dollars for, and guess what? I don't even do that work myself. All I do is when I get an order, I head over to a freelance marketplace such as Fiverr, order that same service for, let's say, $40, someone pays me $500, and I keep $440 profit in my pocket. Markup is anywhere between 60 and 300% depending on your service. And over here, I've got an entire 26-minute free masterclass training on my 6-figure drop servicing expert university, which is an entire program where you can get lifetime mentorship from me. You get one-on-one video mentoring from me lifetime. You also get my winning done for you drop servicing agency, which personally generated me $98,000 in 2020. You get all the pages, all the products connected, all the checkouts done for you. All you need to do is go and promote it, and you can make sales straight away, straight to your PayPal account. I value this giveaway to be well over $9,900. In this course is currently only going for $397. It's currently on huge special right now due to the pandemic. Just to help out, the total value of this course is $19,400. You can see tons of other bonuses over here that's included in this course. And this over here is just the value, not the actual price. The actual price is over here on the checkout. Make sure to enter this coupon code over here to claim your huge discount all the way down to $397. So if you first want to have a look at that free training and that free masterclass, come over to the first link in the description and you'll see me over here. Make sure to scroll down throughout this page. You'll see other students that have gotten results. You'll also see exactly what's in the curriculum and what's in the course. So everything is completely transparent. It's not like one of those courses that you have to buy before you can see what's in the course. Everything is transparent, as everything I teach works for me. It's years of knowledge and effort that I've put together that personally generated me over $228,000 profit in 2020. I actually show you the results of that exact store in this video over here. So like I said, guys, this is a business model that has completely changed my life. It's allowed me to buy my dream car, to get my first home, and to buy all sorts of things and really reach a nice level of financial freedom. So definitely come over to the first link in the description and you'll see me over here in this free training.